Yabona sengithula isikhathi eside ngiloke ngingafuni ukugonyuluka ngalento. Sengibuka inqwaba yama podcast o Agenda Network ile enye engiyithandayo futhi nayo ka Scheme GP. Of which ama platforms a Grand O2 la akhona namanye ne, but lawo yiwa a major phezulu about ama offenders, ama ex offender angasekho ejele akhuluma izitori zawo zasejele. Into efike ngiphathe kabuhlungu la, majority lama ex offenders are romanticizer ijele, enza ijele kwi public or kwi society libukeke ngazathi I holiday inn. Ya understand? Mina as umuntu osebenza ejele ngizokutshela straight, musukukhohliswa abantu abake baboshwa baphuma ngaphandle ejele. Bonke labantu balimele engqondweni, balimele enhlizweni, balimele ngayo yonke indlela ongayicabanga, even physically. Abanye bangena ejele bengaguli ndawo, namhlanje banama chronic disease njengoba ama ex offenders. Abakuvezi lokho. Ayibona le nto le. Bafowethu, yabona ngizokwenza nje example ngento eyodwa engeke ngayibona ngamehlo enzeka phambi kwami. Like isiyenzeke ihlandle eningi but nje ngizochaza kule instance eyodwa. Mina ukuba aware kwami nge-anal cancer, ngibe aware nge-anal cancer sengisebenza e-correctional services. And now uma usebenzisa ingqondo, most likely yini into engakhoza ukuthi umuntu abe ne-anal cancer. Ayibona le nto. Lapha engqeni abafowethu baphenduka abafazi. Ya understand? Endakalalo umuntu oyedwa. Enye into kumele uyazi. Ingakho bengeke bavuma ukuthi bake balalwe, bayalazi iqiniso. Akalalwanga umuntu oyedwa. Yayizwa le nto le. Emva kwalapho wonke ama objects ongawacabanga ama contraband noma illegal ejele bawafihla khona lapha kwi-anal, kwi-anus. Yabo? Kungaba ifone iyangena lapha kule yambobo. Ngoku like iboshwe zayifaka ifone engqeni ihlala esiswini. Immese, ama drugs, yonke into ongayicabanga bayifaka engqeni, bathi ukapha ngolimi lasejele. So wonke labantu laba basafike kulama platformeni abanixoxela ngejele, kungani bengakuvezi ukuthi guys, majority yenu ngaphakathi ejele, I would say 90 to 95% wama offenders bayagula and banama illnesses are serious. Ngikhuluma ngento engiyaziyo, ngikhuluma ngento engiyiphila almost every day, umsebenzi wami lengikhuluma ngawo. Bahanjiswa yimina noza kwethu kuma clinic nasebhedlela. Ya understand? Ayikho into ekuzothiwa mayenziwa odokotela kuthiwa asiqhele. Yonke into yenziwa sikhona sibuka. Ayikho offender engangifihlela ukuthi iphethwe yini health wise because idinga mina ukuthi iyosizakala. So musani ukumisleader youth niloke romanticizer ukuba sejele guys. Akuyona kuphela indaba zomalalana ejele. Kuningi okwama factors. Ya understand? Kuningi and okungekho grand. Mangithi kuwe le ndawo yayilimaza ingqondo, hayi kancane yayilimaza ingqondo. Yamlimaza nomuntu siqu sakhe. Ngiyaphinda namanje kukancane ukuthi ngane umuntu ekuthiwa utolile ejele, uphumile ejele, ophila kahle ekhanda. Ngiyakutshela iqiniso lelo. Ukuthi ni ikasi ibona mawukuthi mhlambe nginesibazi la. Kunezibazi ezingabonakali ngokwehlo lenyama kodwa ezingapholi futhi ezinkulu okudlula isibazi leso sibona ngamehlo. Majority ama ex offenders abantu abafaceane nezinto ezifana nalezo guys. So asiyena ukushuga khotha lento siloke senza ngazathi kwi public there's something nice or something heroic ngokuthi uboshiwe. Yini emnandi ngokuboshwa? Cause ijele livulwa ngo8 ekseni. Ngabo 2:30 to 3 liyakhiwa. Ufana nesilwane esifuyiwe. And emasenkhiyeliwe senivalelwe nodwa emaseleni ngaphakathi, yila imkhuba egileka khona. Ali ngikhohliswa abantu, most labafethu abama ex convict abagijima beyophapha kuma podcast bezenza izinto ezazithafa ejele. Siyazi ukuthi nanidayisa ngemzimba ejele. Abanye bembini omahosha ejele. Khuluma iqiniso. Abanye benu ukuze nithola indlela yokusurvive ejele benidayisa ngezinqa. Nimunye amanye amadoda imthondo lapho ukuze nikwazi ukuthi nibe nento ethile niyibekayo. etafuleni nani nikwazi ukuhlanganela lezi zinto enizidingayo lapha nalapha. Akungathi namhlanje seningaphandle kumele ngabe yinini enibuye isizwe nitshela abantu iqiniso, nitshela abantu the real traumatic experiences enwaface inside of prison. Ukuze ingane ezincane ezikhulayo zokwazi ukuthi akuyona indawo yokudlalela le. Engikwaziyo uyabona ama ex convicts afundile lesson ngaphakathi ejele. Ngeke uwezwe gijima ekhulumana nenombolo estradini. Ngeke uwezwe futhi ehambe phapha eqhambisa ukuthi wona akaboshwa kwasho kwagcina. Awayikhulumi lezo zinto. Yilo muntu obede isikhebereshe sasejele ngaphakathi uzofuna ukuzowenza ijele libukeke ngazathi liyinto enhle ngaphandle. Kuno lapha ngaphakathi ningazodlala guys. Mawukuthi wena uyazazi ukuthi uyinkabi, awunasibhamu uzobusiphethe lapha ngaphakathi. Ngisho ukuthi uyazazi ukuthi ulwa kunqamuka izandla namanga bazokubhebha ngibeka kanje straight angifuni nokuyiso ukuyimbathisa bazokudla endudliwa abantu abagulayo ngaphandle kwecondom. Nawe mhla usulijwayele ijele uyobufuna ukuinflicta kwabanye leyo nto into ehamba kanje le yanto angeke iziphele. Banamanga mabelo bentshetsha abalalo lapha ejele amanga. Majority yabo mfethu sihlala sibabu yazi mfethu uzushawa amahloni uthi hayibo kahle lona uthini kahle kahle. Siyanazi phela chance. Akushintshanga fakole siyanazi. Yakani ukumisleader isizwe, tshelani isizwe kuyiqiniso. There's nothing heroic or there's nothing ongayiglorify ngeprison.
Hello, the 26 gang members in South Africa's role is to focus on acquiring wealth through theft, smuggling, and corruption. Their main activities, they're often responsible for controlling contraband like cigarettes, drugs, and cell phones. Their symbol is often associated with money, material wealth. Their tattoos may feature the number 26, dice, or dollar signs. The 27th gang members' role is to serve as law enforcers within the number system. Their main activities, they enforce a discipline, punishment to members and their enemies. The 28 gang members' role is to focus on sexual dominance, controlling sexual relations within the prison. The main activities, the 28 are infamously involved in the marriage system. The structure, they are split into two camps, the gold line and the silver line. The gold line are the fighters and the warriors. The silver line is the wives or they submit. So the symbol of the tattoos is often drawings of knives, blood, or a fixture known as a Nongoloza. The RAF 3, which is known as the Royal Air Force 3, not well known or widely documented as the number gangs, but the RAF 3 is believed to have emerged in the 1990s. Its focus is involved in violent enforcement, robberies, and extortion. Big Five is more of a street gang than a prison group. Its focus is more of organized crime, extortion, drug trafficking, and hijacking. The symbol of tattoos is the name Big Five, which refers to the major African animals in Africa, like lion, leopard, rhino, elephant, and buffalo, symbolizing power and dominance. This is just a brief summary of the prison gang members in South Africa, the 26, the 27, the 28, the RAF 3, and the Big Five. The 26 role is wealth, the activities is smuggling and theft. The 27 is justice, the activities is enforcement and discipline. The 28 is sexual control, and the activities is just violence. The RAF 3, its role is violence. The activities is extortion and robberies. The Big Five, the role is power or crime. The activities is organized crime and drug trade. At the end of the video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Bye-bye.
26 o tsara ke ba fimpiak
ke ba
26 ba chelete ke ba chelete no so wena o ka tsena o tshwere di million a gare a gre o tšolla ka nta tšhose a pona o tšolla ka nta o tshwere di billion mpiaka o billionaire o tsena tronkong onga o tsena tronkong o tsara o di gae sometimes no tsena gara choose o ne ma 26 ma 27 ma 28 batho o tsara ba di ka lo tša go so o ne ba bongwe bo ka re wena o tshwere ka chelete a gare ba di la lo wena fa go reng wena o ne o tshwere ka chelete ba nya batho ba lo reng ba tshwere ka chelete ba o tsene ka mmeda ke o ne batho ba lo reng ba to approach ba lo reng ba di la ka batho ba tsana ba tsene ka dimela okay velo sharp na ke 26 di la ka chelete a choose respect and discipline ke nthola go botsa ke sa qala respect and discipline